Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to rideshare EV trip expense tracking with Stride easy tutorial step by step clearly. Navigate to the Stride website by typing in the URL. Once the page loads, look for the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Input your email and create a strong password. Make sure to read through the terms and conditions before proceeding. Click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to continue. Check your email for a verification link from Stride. Open the email and click on the link to verify your account. After verification, return to the Stride website and log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the feature related to rideshare EV trip expense tracking. Click on that feature to access the subscription options. Choose the subscription plan that best suits your needs. Review any additional information or details about the plan. You will then be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required payment details carefully. Once complete, confirm your subscription by clicking on the Final Confirmation button. You should receive a confirmation message regarding your new subscription. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the expense tracking features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.